philosophies revived.
Hey, have you ever felt like there's more to life than what meets the eye? Ancient cultures certainly did. They spoke of hidden realms and unseen forces, connecting their daily lives to the rhythms and vibrations of the universe. What's fascinating is that these ancient teachings weren't just superstitions. They were built on a deep understanding of the world around them. Today, modern science is finally catching up to these age-old ideas, suggesting that our ancestors may have been onto something big. We're talking about vibrations, not just the kind you feel from your favorite song, but the fundamental vibrations that make up reality itself. Imagine if the universe were a massive symphony, and every particle, every being, every star was playing its unique note. Ancient wisdom tapped into this symphony, mastering the art of vibrational harmony in ways that we're only now beginning to explore. So, stick around, because we're diving deep into this fascinating topic, bridging the gap between ancient knowledge and modern science. By the end of this journey, you might just start seeing the world in a whole new light. Ready to explore the hidden vibrations that connect us all? Let's get started. Ancient cultures were remarkably attuned to the idea of vibrations. They might not have had the terminology of modern physics, but they certainly understood the essence of vibrational energy. Take the Egyptians, for example. They built the pyramids with such precision that some researchers believe these structures resonate at specific frequencies. Some theories suggest that the pyramids were not merely tombs, but also vibrational tools used for spiritual and healing purposes. It's as if they were creating a giant tuning fork for the soul. Similarly, in Hinduism, the concept of Nada Brahma encapsulates the belief that the universe itself is sound. When they chanted Om, it wasn't just a ritual. It was an attempt to harmonize with the cosmic vibration. This sound was thought to be the primal energy that underlies everything. In the same vein, shamanic traditions across various cultures use sound and rhythm to access altered states of consciousness. The rhythmic drumming, chanting, and dancing were more than mere rituals. They were gateways to different dimensions of reality. Shamans believed that by altering their vibrational state, they could communicate with the spirit world and bring back knowledge and healing to their communities. These ancient practices show a profound understanding of how vibration could affect not just the physical world, but also the spiritual. Jumping to the present day, modern science is starting to uncover the secrets our ancestors seem to intuitively grasp. Enter quantum physics, a field that has shattered our conventional understanding of reality. Scientists like Dr. Fred Alan Wolf have explored the mysterious world of subatomic particles, where the rules of classical physics no longer apply. Here, everything is in constant motion, vibrating in ways that seem almost mystical. These particles don't even have a definite state until they're observed, implying that consciousness and observation can influence reality. That's wild, right? It's like the universe is a grand concert, and we're both the audience and the musicians. Dr. Wolf proposes that these subatomic vibrations aren't just physical, they're intertwined with consciousness itself. This brings us to an astonishing realization. Our thoughts, our very awareness, could be influencing the vibrations around us. It aligns eerily well with ancient beliefs. When shamans altered their state of mind to access different realms, could they have been tuning into these quantum vibrations? Modern science, with its talk of multiple dimensions and probability waves, seems to be offering a framework for understanding experiences that our ancestors described long ago. It's like two sides of the same coin, ancient wisdom and modern science speaking different languages, but telling the same story. Now, this is where things get really interesting. We're finding that ancient spiritual practices and modern physics might not be as different as they seem. While scientists today use complex equations and high-tech instruments to explore the universe, our ancestors used their consciousness as a tool to access deeper layers of reality. Take the shamanic journey, for instance. Shamans believe they can traverse into other dimensions, connect with spirits, and gather insights by altering their vibrational frequency through rituals. It's like they're changing the radio station to tune into a different channel of existence. Modern physics speaks of multiple dimensions and parallel universes, suggesting that reality is far more layered than we ever imagined. Dr. Wolf's research even hints that accessing these dimensions could be a matter of tuning into the right vibrational frequency. It sounds strikingly similar to what shamans have been doing for millennia. What if, in their way, shamans were practicing a form of quantum physics? They didn't have the language of science, but they had the experiential knowledge of how to navigate these vibrational realms. The fact that we're finding scientific theories that align with these ancient practices should make us pause and reconsider what we know about reality. Perhaps our ancestors were pioneering explorers of consciousness and vibration, using the tools available to them, rituals, chants, and altered states of mind to access truths we're only beginning to understand. So, let's talk about the nature of reality. Modern physics tells us that everything in the universe is in constant motion, vibrating at different frequencies. Even things that seem solid, like a rock or a table, are made up of atoms and particles dancing in an intricate, unending dance. Dr. Wolf suggests that these vibrations are not just the mechanics of physical matter, but also the fabric of reality itself. Imagine reality as a layered cake, where each layer represents a different dimension or state of existence. These layers are interconnected by vibrations, much like how a guitar string, when plucked, can produce multiple harmonics. If you can change your vibration, theoretically, you might shift your experience to a different layer of reality. Ancient traditions seem to have understood this on an intuitive level. They believed that by altering one's vibrational state through meditation, chanting, or ritual, they could access other realms of existence. Shamans, for instance, would enter altered states of consciousness to communicate with spirits, heal the sick, or gain knowledge. In their worldview, the boundaries between different dimensions were fluid, navigable through the right vibrational frequency. What if our reality is more malleable than we think? Could it be that the universe is a vast, interconnected web of vibrations, and by tuning ourselves correctly, we can access parts of it that remain hidden in our everyday life? Sound is one of the most direct manifestations of vibration, and our ancestors knew this well. They utilized sound in various forms, chanting, drumming, singing bowls, to create specific vibrational states. Think of sound as the tip of the vibrational iceberg, a way to make these deeper vibrations tangible. The ancient Egyptians used sound in their healing rituals, and some even speculate that they may have used sound frequencies to aid in the construction of the pyramids. While this might sound far-fetched, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Modern science acknowledges that sound waves can influence physical matter, as seen in experiments like cymatics, where sound frequencies create intricate patterns in substances like sand or water. Dr. Wolf expanded on this by connecting the idea of vibrational sound patterns to the creation of the universe. Drawing from the Kabbalistic teachings, he proposed that the universe might have been brought into existence through the vibrational sounds of specific letters. It's as if the cosmos itself is a grand symphony, and every element within it plays a part in this universal melody. When you think about it, sound has a unique ability to resonate with our emotions, to move us in ways that words alone cannot. It's no wonder that ancient cultures revered sound as a powerful tool for connecting with the divine, for healing, and for exploring the depths of reality. Our ancestors didn't just contemplate vibrations as an abstract concept, they lived it. They believed that vibrations had the power to heal, to alter states of consciousness, and to bring harmony to the mind, body, and spirit. Shamans, in particular, viewed healing as a process of restoring vibrational balance. If an individual's energy was out of sync, they believed it could lead to illness or discord. By using chants, drumming, and other forms of sound therapy, they aim to retune the person's vibrational frequency. Interestingly, modern science is starting to acknowledge the healing power of vibration. Sound therapy, for instance, has gained traction as a complementary treatment for stress, anxiety, and even physical pain. The idea is that certain frequencies can influence the body's natural vibrations, promoting a state of balance and well-being. Have you ever felt a deep sense of calm while listening to a particular piece of music, or experienced a surge of energy during a drum circle? That's your body responding to vibration. Our cells, our tissues, even our DNA, all vibrate at specific frequencies, and when we introduce new vibrations, whether through sound, light, or other means, we can influence our state of being. It's as if we're musical instruments, and the right frequency can bring us back into harmony. Our ancestors may not have had the scientific terminology, but they understood the profound connection between vibration and health, a wisdom that we're now beginning to explore with modern tools. So, what does all of this mean for us today? Well, it suggests that there's an entire dimension of reality that we've been overlooking. Our ancestors didn't need particle accelerators or quantum theories to understand the significance of vibration. They experienced it directly. They knew how to harness it for healing, for spiritual growth, and for understanding their place in the cosmos. Today, with all our scientific advancements, we're beginning to rediscover this ancient knowledge. We're learning that vibration is not just a mystical concept, but a fundamental aspect of reality. From the vibrations of atoms and molecules to the resonant frequencies of the human body, everything is interconnected through this universal web of energy. And here's the exciting part. By understanding and working with these vibrations, we might unlock new ways of healing, of expanding our consciousness, and of exploring the universe. It opens up a realm of possibilities, from vibrational medicine to technologies that could harness these frequencies for our benefit. It challenges us to look beyond the material, to recognize that the universe is more fluid and interconnected than our everyday experiences suggest. In a way, we're being called to bridge the gap between the seen and the unseen, to honor the wisdom of our ancestors, while forging new paths into the mysteries of reality. So, where does this leave us? It leaves us standing on the edge of an incredible journey. Our ancestors mastered the art of vibration, tuning into the cosmic frequencies that weave the fabric of reality. They understood that by altering their vibrations, they could access hidden realms, heal themselves, and connect with the universe on a profound level. Today, we're just beginning to understand this ancient wisdom through the lens of science. We're finding that the boundaries between science and spirituality are not as rigid as they once seemed. The more we explore, the more we realize that these two domains may be speaking about the same truths from different perspectives. The universe, it turns out, is a far more dynamic and interconnected place than we ever imagined, and the key to understanding it might just lie in the vibrations that underlie everything. So next time you feel the hum of a chant resonate within you, or get lost in the rhythm of a drumbeat, remember you're experiencing a piece of that ancient wisdom. You're tuning into the cosmic dance that connects us all. As we continue to explore these vibrations, who knows what doors will open? Perhaps we'll find that the secrets of the universe were never really hidden. They were just waiting for us to listen.